It's our small batch of pepper relish. This was just leftovers, like 3 cups peppers, half an onion, with 2 cloves of garlic, 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of sugar. You're just going to cook it down about 25-30 minutes, and then put it in your jars and process it. And that's about it. It's a lot easier than the pepper jelly. This was just leftover peppers that I'd already processed but didn't use in the jelly. And I ran out of sugar to make another batch of jelly anyway. But always got more peppers. I'll be having peppers till probably October. So I still have a lot to make. Water's heating up for the can. Jars are already ready. Super easy to make. Smells good in here. A little pepper, a little vinegar, onions, garlic. Goes good on a lot of things. I like this on hot dogs and a lot of other things. It's tasty. And since you have a lot of peppers, it's super easy to make. It's same mixture, just purple cayenne, hot banana, sweet banana, cow horn peppers, a few jalapenos, a few Serrano peppers, regular cayenne peppers. It's a good condiment on a lot of different things. Then again, this is just a short one. If you like my content, please subscribe, like, share, all that jazz. And everybody have a great week. Thank you. Okay, I let it simmer, let the relish mixture simmer for 25 minutes. Put them in the jars, and they're starting to process now. Again, 5 minutes process time after it starts to get a good heavy rolling, after it starts to boil. Continue that for 5 minutes. You're going to pull them out, set them, let them cool, and then check them to make sure the lids are vacuum sealed. Remember, 1/4 inch from the top. I only got 4 small jars out, 4 8-ounce jars out of this batch. So I have to pick more peppers this week. Do them the same way. Now, some of those peppers I'll get inundated here for the next month with them. I'm not making them all into relish or jelly. I'll do dry some of them and put them in packs, dried, so I can just use them for pepper flakes on stuff. Alright, thank you. I'll continue this once the process so you can see the little jars. Alright, that's our finished jars there. Again, I only got 4 jars, and you're going to want to label the tops there with exactly what they are and the date, so you'll know, not get them mixed up and give people the wrong things. This is a lot less sugar content than the jelly. It's just condiment, really. A relish. Goes good on hot dogs, hamburgers, chicken, fish, pork, whatever. Things like that. Just adds a little tasty little zing to it. Alright, thank you. That's it for now.